and welcome to week 8. Congratulations, it is almost time for the end of the first 9 weeks. It is so important that you get on pace if you're not on pace. This Friday, you are required to be at 49%. You're halfway finished with the first semester. Anyways, featuring this week is the student profile report. Now, on the student profile report, this is a report that is for kindergarten through 8th grade students who took the MAP test, or anyone else who has taken the MAP test. So, you're going to receive a report that looks like this right here. Now, in this report, it's going to give you lots of information on what your student is ready to be introduced to and what they are ready to develop. And when you see this, your student's name will be here and the grade that they're in. This is the score that the student made in reading. And if this is green, that means you are proficient. If it's red, that means you need to, you have several skills in which you need to get working on. If it's yellow, that means you're almost proficient, so we need to work really, really hard to try to get you green before the next MAP test. And if you are blue, that means you are advanced. So check the color of this number right here, and then you'll kind of know where you stand. Now, when you look at this report, I can look here and see this student right here, which happens to be my daughter. I'm just using her as an example, just because. Anyways, it shows 3.2.R.2. This means this student is ready to learn or ready to develop a 3rd grade standard. Well, since she is in 3rd grade, that's right where she needs to be. If this number is a 1 or if this number is a 2, like right here, that means she needs to go back and relearn this skill because she missed it on her MAP test. So you can tell what you need to learn right here. Genre. A genre is like if it's fiction, if it's nonfiction, and then it breaks it down even further. She needs to know what a tall tale is, a drama. And sometimes if we can just fix some of these really small skills like that, it will actually make your test scores go from yellow to green. And so that's what we're going to be working on. Read through here and see what your student needs help with, interpreting graphs. So I know I need to find some stuff for her. And this is where you'll go to IXL and practice, like she needs practice on graphs. So I can go into IXL and help her with graphs. She needs help with main idea. So I can go into IXL and help her with main idea. Let's see. Her vocabulary, she has some 2s here. She has 3 on the multi-meaning words, which is really good. Now, don't be surprised if you have an 8th grader and they have some skills that are missing from 3rd grade. And that is what that's what we're trying to fix right now, is patching up these holes where they're missing just some small skills that will in turn help their overall test score become better. So, let's go back up here and look. She's missing main idea. So what I would do is I would look at this for your student. Then I would go into IXL and make your student find the IXL that matches the skills that they're missing. So I know that she's missing main idea, so I'm going to go to 3rd grade, or since she's on 2nd grade level, I'm going to go to 2nd grade main idea. 2nd grade reading foundations, and then I'm going to look for main idea, and then I'm going to make her do the 2nd grade, and I'm going to make her do the 1st grade, and I'm going to make her do the 3rd grade. So that way I know that she has a really good idea of what is main idea. And if you can't find it, type it in the search engine here, main idea, and then it pulls up all the things that are for main idea. So this is kindergarten, this is 1st grade, 2nd grade, and 3rd grade. I'm going to go back and make her do all of these main ideas so that I make sure she has a very good understanding about main idea. Anyways, I hope this helps as you look at your student's profile report and you work with me as a team to try to get your student in the green. Have a great day, and if you need anything, let me know.